Hare Krishna. Today I was going through the pages of Bhakti Rasamrit Sindhu or Nectar of Devotion, and I came across a very, very beautiful verse which is Moksha Laghutakrit. Moksha Laghutakrit means that Bhakti makes liberation look insignificant. Even with a little attraction in the deepest corners of our heart for the Supreme Lord. The four Purusharthas means the four objectives or goals of a human form of life, which are Dharma, Artha, Kam and Moksha. All these four seem to be very petty and insignificant in contrast or in comparison to Bhakti. The stature of Bhakti is much higher than these four Purusharthas. Further on, in the Narad Pancharatrika Vidhi, it is stated the relationship between Mukti, Bhakti and Bhakti is stated. It is said that Mukti, which is liberation, Bhakti, which means or implies sense enjoyment, pleasuring the senses. These two terms, Mukti and Bhakti, are considered to be the maid servants of Bhakti as per Narad Pancharatrika Vidhi. Srila Rupa Goswami goes on and on to describe and rather explain the rarity of Bhakti Bhav within any individual soul. He quotes a Tantra Shastra and he then composed this shloka. He says, Gyataha sulabha muktir, bhuktir yagnadi punyataha. Gyataha sulabha muktir, which means liberation is easily attained by Gyan. Bhuktir yagyadi punyata, which means material enjoyment is easily attained as well. Further on, Seyam sadhana sahasrair hari bhakti sudurlabha. However, bhakti bhav cannot be easily attained even if one practices thousands of sadhanas other than bhakti. So, Rupa Goswami suggests and explains that liberation is rather a lower hanging fruit. It can be easily obtained. But Hari Bhakti, the Bhakti Bhav, love for God, is something that we need to aim for, and it is not easily accessible for everyone. In Srimad Bhagavatam, Sukdev Goswami instructs Parikshit Maharaj. In 5th canto 6th chapter, he says that Lord Mukunda is the caretaker and the guardian of the Pandavas and the Yadav dynasty. He is the Guru, the Deva, the friend, the guide, the messenger, and even the servant of them. However, he gives liberation very easily, but he does not give Bhav Bhakti at all times. So, not only this, but in Bhagavad Gita, in the 7th chapter, the 3rd and 19th verse, Krishna says, Manushyanam sahasreshu kaschid yatati siddhaye yatatam api siddhanam kaschin mam veti tatvatah. In 7.19, Krishna says, Bahunam janmanam ante gyanvan mam prapadyate vasudeva sarvamiti saha mahatma sudurlabha. Sudurlabha, rarity. Durlabha means something very rare, something rare. Su is for a heightened effect. Sudurlabha means extremely rare. So, Rupa Goswami has maintained and has kept adherence and has preserved a parallel with Bhagavad Gita as well. And in conclusion, it can be said that this is the reason why liberation is rejected by devotees if there is no opportunity to serve the Lord. Thank you. Hare Krishna.